Hello guys, I'm Joy and I have started a new channel on YouTube about Photoshop. We will discuss about different tips, tricks and different tutorials about Photoshop and Photoshop Lightroom CC. So today we are going to discuss about the workspace of the Photoshop, how to set up a workspace in the Photoshop. If you have opened Photoshop for the first time, you would be probably saying something like this. The workspace will be set to default and the default workspace looks like this. I'm using the latest version of the Photoshop, so my workspace is like this. And if it's not, just go here and reset workspace. So you will be seeing a different the default workspace of the Photoshop. Even if your workspace is not like me, it's not a problem. You can always reset the workspace, and it's slightly different in the previous versions of the Photoshop. Okay, so this panel is not important for me, so I am closing it. Okay, close tab group. And the colors and swatches panel, it may be important to you, but it is not important to me, so I am closing it too. Now go to the Windows, click here and click on the navigator panel, so it enables the navigator panels for us. Now set up the navigator panel, click and drag the navigator panel above the layers panel, so it sets the navigator panel above the layer panel. Okay, so we will be adjusting the size later. Okay, now click on Windows again and click on the properties panel, so it enables again the properties panels for us. Now I'll be setting the properties panel with the navigator panel. You can always set it according to your wish, but I'm setting it so it saves my space for the layers panel. Now we will be opening an image to see how the navigation panel works. So click on file, click on open, select an image and click on open again. So Photoshop opens the image for me. Now let's make it slightly bigger. Okay, so drag the slider like this, so it shows me a slightly bigger navigation panel. Now the navigation panel is very helpful because it keeps a track on the image how it is going and what I have done with my image. So today's video was up to this. I just showed you how to set up your workspace if you want to edit images in Photoshop. So I have found this is the best workspace so far. And guys, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please share my content because I'm a new YouTuber. I need your support to grow, and I'll be back with many more tutorials. Stay tuned.